Born ready.
Ready.
How's it going?
Right, mate, you?
It's alright. Saturday.
Saturday.
I'm tired.
Should be in bed.
Should be in bed.
What have we got today?
Today we have a 2011 Audi A5, 2 litre common rail, 170 horsepower for a customer of ours, Harry, who bought a liquid yellow clear 182 on a dyno day. Previous to us getting this dyno, we'll drop a link below in the description and probably link it at the end. We did a raffle recently for a dyno tune, which subsequently he won. May or may not be more in the future, we will see.
Awesome.
But that is it, yeah, it's just...
So it's a 2 litre common rail.
yeah, stock spec car, just stage one.
Awesome.
Stage one tune.
Sweet, okay, so rip it and then send it.
Pretty much.
Sweet. That was pretty good.
Yeah, started strong.
Yeah.
Like 180 and 179.
Yeah, strong point of these, to be fair. So naturally, we're now going to flash the tune on and then give it a rip, I
We
guess.
are indeed, yeah, and see where it goes.
These tend to go one or two ways when they start strong, don't they?
Yeah.
It's either going to end strong or it's going to make the same kind of power.
Yeah, to be honest, we're already seeing high intake temps.
Right.
Like
How high?
60 degrees.
Oh, so all of the time it's going to be getting pulled.
No, not
No.
petrol.
Oh, fuck my life, yeah. Dickhead. Okay, so high IATs are definitely not what we want.
No, I mean, it is, 23 ambient currently.
It is warm today, yeah.
Yeah, so, I mean, really, we look to be 15 degrees above,
At max.
well, 20 max. It obviously depends what it is, but obviously the lower the IATs, the better.
Better, yeah. Okay, so...
But yeah, so we'll dip in, see where we go. That's all we can
all
do.
we can do is see what happens.
We shall.
Cool.
Sweet. This is too much for us. How's it going?
All right, mate.
Good.
How's it going your side?
I'm still here.
Yep.
No, things are all right.
Yeah. I mean, mate, what 195?
Yeah, 194 point something.
But it has come like 50 newton meters or something like that as well, hasn't it?
Yes.
Which is important on diesels.
Yeah, I mean, you'll see the graph. It's a lovely flat torque curve. Pretty much following a standard torque curve, but we're still having IAT issues.
I imagine IATs.
Yeah, I mean, on stock we were seeing, I think, peak of 63, like right at the end of the run. So if you look at the graph, where it starts to dip out and lose at the end, is where it hits the highest IATs in the run. And it's much of the same. I mean, on stock, I think we saw right at the end 62, 63 degrees. We're now seeing 67, but obviously we are doing back-to-back passes as well. So we've not ripped the stock and then let it get.
No.
Let it cool
down.
down.
I mean, it had about 20 minutes, but not.
Yeah,
not
always literally been the time to
get it tuned, basically.
pretty much do some software and flash ECU, so half hour tops.
Yeah.
But IATs are starting at the same sort of level at the beginning of the run as well, so it's a very fair comparison.
Yeah, because obviously after the first pass it was high anyway, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Yeah, they either keep strong or they don't.
Or they don't. I mean, this one may well have had their IATs not been so high. How much power do you reckon has been lost due to high IATs?
I'd say, I mean, on a cooler day, this would definitely do 200 brake. Easily.
Okay.
Normally with these, I mean, when they start out at about 170, we normally quote 205 at a push.
Yeah.
Normally seeing around 200 brake is about right. Torque-wise, we're at what, 420?
Yeah, that's where we are. Yeah,
really hard to read that orange from it.
Yeah.
But yeah, 420 is about right.
Yeah. It's just the power is lacking a little bit.
Yeah. But like I said, we normally quote around the 200 brake mark. You know, obviously there's always varying factors.
So we'd anticipate there's 5-10 in this on a cold day.
To what?
There's 5 or 10 more in this on a cold day.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, I'm not saying like drastically cold, but
no.
You know, IATs being say 40 degrees or less, I'd say there's 200 horsepower.
We're in a real world with real air going over it. There probably will be less.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, we could leave it sitting here until it's cool,
But
and
Saturday,
then
we ain't got 5 hours to do that.
well, the thing is, we could sit here and let it cool down, and then run it back up to operating temperature and do a pass.
But at the end, it's still going to be high, I imagine.
No, of course, but that's what I mean. Is if we're starting from it being cold, then literally just getting up to operating temperature, doing a pass, I reckon I'll do near enough 200 brake. On a colder day, it definitely will.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, cool. Well, that kind of ties it up then, doesn't it? There's not much more we can do back then, IATs.
But yeah, no, thank you to everyone who entered the raffle. Much appreciated. Like I said, we may or may not do more in the future. It was kind of a spare of the moment thing.
If you do want us to do another one, maybe drop a comment and we'll see what feedback we get either on this or on the Facebook post.
Yeah, sounds good.
Sweet.
Awesome.